Hi, it's Sarah here. I've come to talk to you today about cypress oil. This is just the most beautiful oil. So it's from a really tall evergreen tree. So it's strong. It has very deep roots and grows very tall. And this is the essence that you get from the oil. Oh my gosh, it's so fresh but woody at the same time. It's really good for focus and energy and flow and letting go. Oh my gosh, you can use it in so many ways. You can use it in massage, so you can mix it with a carrier oil, and it is absolutely beautiful with a citrus oil, especially lime and grapefruit. And you can also use those blends in the diffuser as well. So you can dilute them in oil for massage, very invigorating, allows things to move and flow in the body, energetic flow. And that can be with emotions as well. So anything that's blocked, it allows it to flow through the body and flow through the system. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. So you can also diffuse it as well. And with the citrus oil, it just picks up on all that woodiness and that fresh aroma of the cypress oil. So it's native to South Europe and to the west of Asia. And that's where it grows and thrives naturally. It's the most beautiful oil. I'd love to read to you about cypress oil. I'm going to read from this beautiful book, Essential Oils for a Happy Living. So cypress oil supports the free flow of energy. Individuals who feel emotionally stuck may find cypress a great resource. It encourages us to be more flexible and let go of control. It is also tremendously helpful for bringing up and then releasing deeply stored pain. As a member of the tree family, it provides emotional grounding. Physically, cypress is supportive to the circulatory system, improving the flow of blood and lymph. So lymph runs alongside the blood and carries away waste from the whole of our body. It strengthens the structural system of the body, bones, muscles and soft tissue. So emotionally, it supports loss, fear, resistance, uneasiness, trauma and depression. And a beautiful affirmation that's written here is, when you're using cypress and you're taking on board the aromatic energy of the tree, this affirmation is really lovely to use alongside you using this essential oil. So I am flexible and free. I am grounded and centered. The energy of the universe flows through me and promotes the good of all. Obstacles in my path and around me are dissolving effortlessly. I love it. I love it, especially at the moment. We are in our third lockdown, and yeah, I think we're needing this move of energy and releasing, and it's all been quite painful this year for some of us, I think. So cypress is beautiful for allowing that flow of energy and emotion. So as I said, it's really beautiful to diffuse with any citrus oil, especially lime and grapefruit, but also to massage or take a drop in the hand and inhale. And remind yourself to let go, allow the energy to flow, release any pain, and just be with the cypress. Imagine that tall, beautiful, strong tree, and you're taking on the essence of that tree. Okay, I hope this serves you well. Cypress, get some. Quick side note, not all essential oil companies are pure. They do not produce the pure essential oils. doTERRA produce some of the purest essential oils in the world. Everything you get in this bottle is 100% cypress and clean. If you want more help, info, how you can get your hands on this beautiful plant magic, get in touch. Pop me a message, comment, I'll pop all my details below. Okay. Sending love.